Okay, welcome once again with another video in which I am going to discuss with you present perfect continuous tense. So this is the last subcategory of present tense, as I already discussed simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and this one is the last subcategory of present tense. Clear? That is present perfect continuous tense. Clear? So now present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action, which started in the past. When an action that was started in the past and it still happens in the present. When an action that was happened in the past and still the action happens, means the action is in progress, that happens continuously. And even this tense is emphasized as it focuses on the continuation of an action. Clear? Continuation means the action was started happening in the past, still the action happens. It may or may not happen in the future, but we do not know. Clear? For example, we mostly make mistakes. When an action that started happening in the past, it still happens, we use present continuous tense. That is the very major mistakes which we mostly make. Clear? For example, rain. For example, it rains from the morning. Clear? It rains from the morning. Still, the action of raining is in progress. Clear? So we mostly say that it is raining. That is wrong. Clear? It is best if we say it has been raining since morning. Now look, the action of raining was started in the morning, still it happens. Is it clear? So first of all, let me define its structure and examples. So come to the second point. This was the first point in which I have defined the tense, and now come to the second point. We use since and for with this tense. Now the purpose of using since is used to show the starting point. I mean, when the action was started. This one shows the starting point. Is it clear? If I say it has been raining since morning. Now look, the morning is the starting point where the action of raining was started. Is it clear? So now the preposition for is used to show the duration of an action. Let's suppose I have been making this video for 2 hours. Clear? Means the action is in progress now. So now look, for 2 hours. This 2 hours is duration. This is not starting point. Clear? So you will further be clear in the examples. Come to the structure. For positive, first we use subject, then we use have and has. I have already told you in the previous, I have already discussed you in the previous video. The verb have is used with the subject pronoun I, we, you, they, and plural noun. Clear? Has is used with the pronoun he, she, it, and singular noun. Then we use been, then verb ing and rest of the sentence for assertive sentence or declarative sentence. For negative, first we use subject, then have, has, been, not, verb ing, rest of the sentence. For negative interrogative, for interrogative, we first use have and has, then subject, then been, then verb ing, and rest of the sentence. For negative interrogative, first we use have and subject, clear, or have or has. Have or has for negative interrogative, clear, then subject, then not, then be plus been plus verb ing plus rest of the sentence. So these are the structures for present perfect continuous tense. Now come to its examples. For assertive or positive, we use it. Look, it has been raining since morning. Now look, the action of raining was started in the morning. It still happens. The action is in progress. It is continuous. Okay. So here I used since. As I said here, since is used to show the starting point of an action. Now morning is the starting point when the action was started happening. Clear? So then for negative, you have not been coming to class for 2 weeks. Now look, this action has not been happening, means the action of coming to class has not been happening for 2 weeks. Now here I use the preposition for. The preposition for is used to show the duration. Means for is show the duration. 2 weeks are the duration that within this time the student does not coming to class. Clear? Then, has she been talking to you for 2 weeks? Means interrogative. Clear? Then, has she been talking to you for 2 hours? Again, interrogative in which I have used for, which shows the duration. Clear? Duration of an action. Then, have we not working? It's working. Have we not working as an English EFL instructor since last year? So again, look, this last year means the year in which the action of working as an EFL instructor. Clear? This is the year in which we talk about the starting. The last year is the starting point of this action. Clear? So this was all about present perfect continuous tense. So if you have any type of confusion question, you just drop me a message. I will help you to find out your confusion. Clear? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.